You've never seen someone crusty before? Tuh. Well, now you have. What is this? Okay, so the sun decided that it wanted to give me this today. Don't know what to tell you. It is what it is. Anyway, I feel like I should just like lean this way. Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are just tuning into me, welcome to Junior's Journey, where I just riff and run. It's a Christian channel. I just talk about my life and I do makeup tutorials. So yeah, today I'm actually low-key in a rush because we have Good Friday service tonight. I know, I'm like trying to dodge. I have to get ready. My husband and I are rushing low-key, but I figured I'd just jump on really quick and do a quick makeup look for whatever I'm doing tonight. My fit, let's not talk about her. Let's not talk about the fit. She fits. Let's just say that. I was gonna do something quick, cool, and give y'all a rundown of what I'm doing. So if you wanna see what kind of look it is, I guess keep watching, follow along, grab your popcorn, do something. This sun here is doing so much and I don't know how to, I can't fix it, obviously. So it's just gonna be here. Anyway, okay, I got my face on. The sun decided to stop harassing me and now I can get this party started. Ooh, am I spitting on myself? I'm gonna zoom you guys in so we can get started on this eye look. Hello. So, because it is 5:26, I need to be done in the next half hour to 45 minutes. Shouldn't be that long since my base is already done. I'm gonna start off with my handy dandy trusty e.l.f. eyeshadow stick primer. Trying to keep this look real simple. I'm not trying to do anything complicated. I had some sort of a complicated look in mind, but we're not doing that today. And if you guys want an eyebrow tutorial because you're digging how I'm doing my brows, I've kind of been liking this kind of soap brow blown out thing lately. It's been giving a lot of life to me. Let me know in the comment section below. Are my brushes dirty from how I used them yesterday? Yes, but shh, don't tell me about it. Let me just live in ignorance. I'm keeping it real simple. I'm gonna go in with this Revolution Sophie X palette. Ooh. And it's reflective and you can see yourselves. Say hi to the camera. Mom, I'm on TV. These are what the colors are looking like. It's super pretty. I got it from TJ Maxx a couple of months ago. Fluffy brush. Oh, my hands are always so dirty. I'm taking my fluffy brush and I'm gonna do this color right here called Cookie Dough. And I'm just really gonna put that in the crease and all over the lid. So if you have something like that, just dust it all over the lid, even up until the brow bone. I'm gonna go into chocolate orange, which is this color here. Taking that same brush and I'm just gonna work it into my crease. You see that? Work it in to my crease. And this is a look that I normally do if I'm like low-key in a rush like I am today. Focus on that eye socket in here and swivel it out. Sometimes I'll even bring it up underneath the brow like that. Keep going back in with that chocolate orange and building up the color. We're not trying to do the most, but yet we are. You know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna take another fluffy brush and then I'm gonna take this color called Lakes. And then again, I'm just gonna focus that right into the eye socket here, just for a little bit of depth. Is she a little green? Maybe, just to give a little bit more dimension. I'm really just making this stuff up as I go. And if it looks a little wild on your end, that's probably because it is a little bit wild. Swivel, swivel, swish, swish, swivel, swivel, swish. It's a good thing I'm no longer a professional. So I'm keeping that lid space pretty matte. I want to do a wing because wings are nice. Hello. Eyebrows is supposed to be cousins, not twins or sisters. Whoever told you that, they lied. I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Carbon Black eyeliner. This baby is on her last leg. Do you see this? So I'm going to I'll take this angle brush here, and I'm just gonna do the hood thing. I'm gonna use every little bit that's left. We are gonna give ourselves a cute little big wing. Those are two very contradictory things that I just said, but yeah, we're gonna wing it from the outside corner here and then bring it on in. Remember how I told y'all I have two different eyelid shapes. Ta-da! This is kind of what we're working with, but trust the process. I'm gonna be doing something else with it, okay? This is my favorite eye. My right eye is my favorite. Don't tell the left. My left eye tends to get a little jealous if I show the right eye a little bit more love than even tight line. Yeah. Now we're gonna take this, oh, my hands are so dirty. I'm gonna take this kind of smudgy smudger brush. Gonna go back in that palette and I'm gonna get this dark brown color called Brownies. And you guessed it, we are going to smoke out that liner. I wanted a smoky liner effect thing going on. Don't worry if you color outside the lines. Don't listen to what your kindergarten teacher told you in elementary school. It's okay if you color outside the lines, okay? I want my wing to look like this. Yeah. She's giving. I know it looks a little crazy, a little messy, but that's what we're going for. The e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Truffle. I know it looks like crap, but I'm going to take this black in the palette, and I'm also going to retrace over it that black wing, okay, that I first created, like so. I'm gonna go over it like that, because the way that I did it is I smoked it. I used the black at first to trace my line, and then I smoked it out with the brown, and now I'm going back in with the black to really intensify how smoky I made that thing there. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes even if what you wanted to do, since as you see, like, I'm kind of sharpening that black. If you want to go back in with the dark brown, I'm going to use the dark brown in this Truffle palette. And I'm also going to continue to like layer. So I'm going to accentuate the black, smoke back and forth until I get the desired effect. This is what we got. Oh, let me adjust the light. There you go. It's a little brighter. This is what we got. If you hear ruffling in the background, it's my husband putting on his pants. So anyway, now that you have this kind of base thing done, I'm going to take this Nika K, well, everything, I don't know, everything has been scrubbed off because I'm a heathen and I don't know how to keep my stuff together. So in order to, I want to sharpen this bottom line. So I'm going to take that Nika K pencil and draw a wing. It's hard to talk and do this at the same time. Just a small wing to kind of sharpen that on the bottom, just to deepen it. Got stuff in my eye, not like regular eye stuff that just be in your eye, like your eyes. It made no sense, but it made sense to me. And go back and sharpen a few things if you feel like you need to. I'm going to also take some of my e.l.f. concealer. This is my cream contour palette. As you see, I've turned her into trash. So I'm going to use this color here just because it's closer to my skin tone or something. And I'm going to clean up the bottom. Oh my goodness, was I in frame? This just neatens up your eye. It makes it look a little bit neater, which is what I just said. We're not done. Gonna take a nice fluffy brush like this And I'm going to take this color called Dreams. I'm gonna brighten my inner and outer corner of my eye ball like that. There you go. I love a good inner corner eye thing, an inner corner brightening eye highlight thing. Gonna also pop that on the brow bone. I'm gonna take some of this black from that truffle palette and I'm gonna run it on the very bottom of my eye and just pack it in that waterline, or the lash line I should say. Look really edgy and cool. This is what you do when you're in a rush. Then we're gonna take that brown and we're gonna smoke out more of that bottom lash line. Feel free and go back and forth if you choose. There you go. There we go. There she is. Because I'm extra and I really want my eyes to pop some more, I'm going to take my LA Girl Ultimate Intense Eyeliner Pencil in Shocking Bright, Shock Bright, Bright Shock, Super Bright. There we go. I'm gonna kind of put it in the waterline, something like that. It turns a little gray, but that's okay. Do it as much as you can so you can kind of get that payoff. It probably would have been smarter if I did the eyeliner first before I smoked out my bottom lash line, but I'm in a rush and apparently my brain doesn't catch up. I want an inner corner little spike, so I'm going to put a little thingamabob. There we go. That's something. I'm gonna go throw on my lashes and then I'll bring myself back to show the lip look. I was thinking of something cool. Okay. Ooh. It's getting to crunch time. So I'm gonna be using, I wanna do a red lip because it's classic. I'm gonna do this Wet n Wild gel lip liner crayon in the color Red the Scene. And I'm also going to use this L'Oreal Le Rouge Determination. I know, I'm Haitian and yet still can't speak French. And this is in the color 193. So I'm gonna put that on and I'm gonna show you guys the ending look. I wish I could be able to give you the whole spiel-a-deal, but your girl is running on crunch time. Okay, you guys. All right, this is the final look. I thank you so much for watching. I know this is quick. It's very, very all over the place, but you know, that's kind of like my personality. Now I have to go to church, go praise and worship the Lord because he deserves all the praise. Stay in your word. And if no one told you today or at any point in time today, I love you. Bye.